core in terms of what it does and what it teaches, and and obviously that's on the right side.
Exactness we can see in science like chemistry. There's a lot of math involved in physics. We can see those processes in place. If there has to be a designer, many students have turned to Christianity because of science, and they say this doesn't make sense. So let's take that away from them and let's turn towards critical race theory. I mean, as a longtime science teacher, this is very frustrating. It kind of does make sense when you look at the paradigm.
Very misleading title.
Very misleading. So the whole article is trying to figure out where did life actually come from and what role did viruses and genes play in that particular context. So let's take a look at this. East Africa to South Africa to
We're getting that job no matter what.
These at the age that we're looking for.
Right, because that's the magic thing, right? That's that magic figure that makes it all work. We're always looking for that more, basically they say over long periods of time, all these cool graphic changes like we were talking about, of course. And speaking of Lucy, they've got a great exhibit here as well. We have a great museum. But you guys want to learn more about what this ape man, how to actually make an ape man. There's a few different ways they can do it. They either make an ape look like a human or a human look like an ape, or they just try to
fabricate it, put stuff together.
And so we got really good resources. If you want to go on our website as well, ancestrycenter.org. Just search ape man. You'll be able to see the million of years there. Check out the reviews we have, bookstores, and posts we have.